This is 1994 Sea-Ray 220 Signature Select. Tandem axle trailer. Comes with a bimini. .4 liter Alpha 1, large sun pad, ladder, ski tow is equipped with transom trim tab, stepping into the Sea-Ray, you have a large sun pad, lots of seating, .225 hours. One's rated for 10 people. Lots of room for the passenger. Heading to the bow, recessed speakers, large seating area, anchor storage, bimini, storage under the helm and passenger side. This 22-foot Sea-Ray is equipped with a ski locker, all your gauges, lots of room for family and friends. '94 Sea-Ray 220 Signature Select.